What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Vince and I post on this channel every single week, trying to post a little bit more often now that the channel is growing. So if you like stocks, if you like options, if you like trading and investing for your future, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So it's Saturday, spent about an hour to an hour and a half today looking through some charts, trying to find some setups and also sharing them in the Discord chat for some of the members. I was using the EMA as well as the TTM squeeze to try to find some long-term or some swing trading setups. I did find one stock that I really like and I want to go ahead and share it with you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys that stock, show you the technical analysis that I did, so it's something that maybe you guys can look at into next week. So if you guys are excited for this video, first make sure to go ahead and smash that like button and stay tuned for the technical analysis. Alright guys, so I have the charts pulled up here. Let's go ahead and look right into it. So the stock we're looking at is ATVI, Activision, a company that makes video games. They make Warzone, they make great games, and something that may not be as affected in a situation like a coronavirus pandemic. So if we look back to how they sort of traded during that pandemic, what we can see is they fell slightly. They found some really great support here at 51, 52, and then they bounced a whole lot higher. So from that previous high, we're up about 20% since the virus fall, which is pretty impressive, showing that this stock has little effect to the virus. People are staying home, they're playing video games. It shouldn't affect a stock like this. So I was looking at Activision. I like how they're rebounding. I really like this uptrend. That's the first very bullish thing I'm looking at. They're in a great channel here. I mean, just constantly going up. This isn't working. Constantly going up. Really nice channel. Just continuing to watch it. Very bullish trend. Now the next thing that I'm looking at is the EMAs and the TTM squeeze. So let me go ahead and pull up the 4 hour again. I'll zoom in here and try to show you guys what I'm looking at. So this stock should be somewhat of a swing trade for me. That's my original idea. Swing trade, maybe 3 or 4 days, continue to ride this trend up and continue to watch, how this stock performs, maybe near these highs right here of 77.63. But the reason I'm bullish on this is, one, because of the EMAs. You can see that the 8-day EMA, which is the blue line, is obviously trending above the 21-day, which is the green line. And it looks like if you zoom in closely here, it's starting to converge. So I'm going to drag this down for you guys, and we can see that this 8-day is bouncing and starting to diverge off of the 21-day, which is a good bullish sign. So if we zoom back out, and now we're going to go over this TTM squeeze. So if you guys are familiar with TTM squeeze, great. If not, I'm going to put a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. A video from another YouTuber, and he explains it really well, and I think you guys should check that out. I'll run through it quickly in this video, but if you want a more in-depth analysis of it, make sure to check that link out. So looking at these, this TTM squeeze down here in the bottom, when it's going up, obviously the buying pressure is increasing. When it's starting to wean off, that means that the buying pressure is starting to slow down. When it's going down, obviously the inverse. So increasing buying pressure, and the yellow is decreasing selling pressure, meaning that we're starting to get some buyers stepping in. Now the green and red dots mean that, at the red dots, it's showing that there's equilibrium between buying and selling, meaning that there tends to be a squeeze higher or lower from that point on. So what you can see is there were red dots here, and we saw that, that big squeeze down right there. EMAs were starting to trend below, so we can see that 8-day EMA actually fell below. We're right here, here's the red. So that 8-day EMA started to trade below, meaning you're somewhat of a bearish sign there. It was squeezing, 8-day fell below, and we got a good fall right there. So interesting to see that. Now what I'm looking at now is 8-day EMA is trading above the 21, and we're starting to get a squeeze right here. So what I think is, this could be a great swing trade. I'm going to watch this on Monday, see how it reacts, if it's able to break through these highs, and start to ride this up a little higher. So we can see we have some room to the top of this channel, maybe 83, 82 around this area. We do have some room to increase. And Activision, again, is something that is safe during somewhat of a pandemic, which is another reason I'm extremely bullish on it. So pulling up the news here on Activision, what we can see is there was a price target increase to 83. So take it, as it is. If you don't believe in price targets or anything like that, or increasing price targets, then that's okay. But definitely some, bullish sentiment around this stock. That's another reason why I'm pretty comfortable looking to see if this continues higher. So overall, guys, Activision looks like a really great setup. We're in a great uptrend. We have the squeeze occurring right now, and we have the 8-day EMA trading above the 21. So let's see if the stock breaks out on Monday. If it goes above this high, then maybe we have an opportunity to maybe get some call options, some longer dated call options, maybe 2 weeks to a month out, and try to take advantage of this potential squeeze to the upside. So what I did was I went ahead and I posted this trade idea here in the Discord. This is the Discord. We have the technical analysis channel where I went ahead and I put ATVI, the 8 and 21 EMA, and the TTM squeeze, just a little bit of what I'm looking at, along with some other trades that I'm watching. We also have some other members. Diamond Hands, great member, that posts a lot of technical analysis as well. So he's posting some stuff that he's looking at. So if you guys want to join the Discord, the link is going to be down in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Some really awesome members, posting ideas, posting trades, something that can prepare you for the coming weeks of trading. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick technical analysis there on Activision and some of the stuff that I'm looking at into next week. If you did, make sure to go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for some future videos. If you want to check out that video about the TTM squeeze, I'll put the link in the description, as well as if you want to join the Discord, it'll be in there as well. So guys, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.